I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just would
Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So guys, this is I think day 3. Oh, you want to go on that? Yeah. This is day 3 in Jamaica, Jamaica. So guys, we're currently at Mystic Mountain. It's an hour and a half wait right now. They said if we had come earlier, wish we tried to come earlier, but our time getting out the house. Yeah, so me and the kids are at Mystic Mountain now, and we're just waiting to go on the tour, right? Yeah. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also hit the like button, and guys, don't forget to turn your post notification on, so whenever time I drop a video, you'll be the first to be notified. All right? Okay.
What's so interesting about the water?
Well,
It looks like dirty water.
it's river water.
It looks dirty.
This one, honey. You guys want to take a picture on the bobsled thing?
Really.
Guys, I have some kids, their original party poopers.
I want to be party.
guys. We're going up. Woo! How does it feel, money? That's when I like my belly.
Oh no, I don't trust this. It's Jamaica. It's Jamaica.
Guys, it wants to be a whole lot.
I don't trust it's Jamaica.
Hey, what you mean? Look here. Guys, it feel good about me now, like my belly.
Oh no.
What?
I don't like this one for real.
I like this.
Sit back, money.
What?
I think it was this high.
You know? Guys, we're all the way up. All the way up.
Mom, we are still going to the swimming pool, right?
We're all the way up. Akon,
Mom, stop.
big up the lifestylers. Big them up. Don't let them see you chicken out up here. Guys, but I like me feel away up here. But I'm taking deep breaths.
Why does this one go higher?
Come,
though?
Mom.
Huh?
You guys still going to swim, right? Right, Mom?
We're gonna do a lot of stuff.
Okay. It looks so nice. Wait, why? Why is that?
Guys, I'm gonna show you.
Imagine how
Guys, but I like
I was wanting to touch it.
this feels away.
It's so nice.
nah, why is it stopping like that?
Akon, stop scaring.
Why is it stopping like that?
Just relax. Come on.
Oh, I don't like this.
If my shoes
How
fall
far
off.
does it go?
Huh? It's taking us over by where everything is.
Oh, and over there is where we come back.
Where would that one girl go then?
Which one? Which
The
one?
big one.
The sign said, oh wait, you can go to rides.
That's what it said?
Yeah.
Really?
And it was sad.
Well,
My God. Look at all those bugs. Come on, look.
Akon, don't bother with that up here.
Chibi chumba.
Oh, that goes far.
Yeah.
Oh look.
That's
Oh, that's no, I can't. Jamaica's water actually looks like healthy.
It is beautiful.
Oh my God.
Guys, that's in Ocherius town where the ship docks. Guys, we're trying to look down.
Mom, look down real quick. Mom, look down real quick.
Guys, don't worry. This is fine.
You see my gun fall?
Oh yeah. I thought
Hey, lifestyle.
Mom, I.
But you got the view.
The view is nice. Oh my God.
is that a huge boat?
This needs a picture, Mom.
Okay.
How is this on, but zip lining isn't?
Because this is what takes you over here. This is the ride that takes you in the place. What are you talking about? Oh, excuse me. I just burped.
On camera?
I know it.
Here to a go. The chair will not stop. Get and walk over the right. The ride will not stop.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So guys, we're actually in Reach Milan. Is that one that you get wet? I don't want that one. Oh no. Because guys, we can't afford to get my legs wet. Oh, that's a pool. What, you don't want to get wet?
It's so nice. Somebody's gonna go though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so the kids are at the front. They're back here. So guys, we're going again the second time. Even though I felt it everywhere, all in my back. What? Oh my god, so guys, we're gonna go again. Rough ride guys. 2016, but my first time here. Like,
Okay. And she starts to scream.
yeah! Guys, weird, suicide. They drop and they tug there.
Guys that make it.
Oh really?
Yeah, we t-shirt man, so I'm used to it. Keep the legs up. Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Open.
So guys, that ride was rough. It's a mighty rough man. Eh? What do you guys think about that ride?
Too rough.
Too rough, Lonnie?
Rough.
Rough. What was more scarier? The ride taking us over here
Ride taking us over here.
was more, eh? Just being up in the air for so long. Guys, I like it though.
Get something from.
Guys, I feel it everywhere. I feel it in my back. I feel it in my... Oh. Didn't you guys felt it in your back?
No.
No?
No.
Hey, hear them guys, but them young. So I guess me old. Instead of them young. Guys, I didn't bring my bathing suit and now I want to go in the pool.
I know, it looks nice.
Yeah.
Mom.
Now I want to go.
That one.
Hmm? The bobsled? They're going to tell us which one. We have to wait until they direct us. They tell us which one to go on next.
They do? They sent us on this one?
Yeah, she said when I come back, I need to check back in with her and she will send me on the next ride. You forget?
Is there like a limit for the rides?
You only can go once. So guys, we're going on the bobsled now. There's a thing here, but you can't go one next place. Pardon?
Yeah, I didn't.
Guys, the kids said they were talking about my butt. Say, next man, next. Good. These kids are so nice. Oh yeah, it's 1,000, right? To the bobsled, guys. Well, feel down, man.
Wait, you can go on two? You can go on two?
That means you went on it already. That means you went on it already, so you can't come back a second time. That's what it means.
Oh, you went on it before?
No, when he marks it, it's an indication that you went on it.
You didn't get one?
It's a one
I did.
thing.
Oh.
Guys, so when we come here, the guy saying, I'm afraid that we fall off. Guys, that was something else. I have a instant headache, guys. Guys, Money scream. These guys, wow. I look at things. I may have my glasses come in, but all of the lash them would have fall out. Cause guys, it fling, you know.
Over to the side, to the other side, so we can go to fall.
Yeah.
Wait, what's gonna happen up there?
God is coming, guys.
3% stop. Stop. 3% stop.
She is brave. Hello, girl. She's brave.
That's so smart.
What do you mean? Pardon?
It stops. It stopped going fast.
Yeah, but still.
This is our national bird.
Jamaican mango.
Let me watch you guys, man. It's okay. It's okay. Waistline froze.
Come on, ladies, you ready? Go beside them, honey. Go beside them.
Guys, the kids are going rock climbing. I'm gonna sit out this one. It's that way. That's the way. Go. Yeah. Take one. Go. Go.
Why is your hair not on there?
Where? That's our zip lining.
Let's go zip line.
After this. As they're going rock climbing. Oh yeah. What's in your shoes, Manny?
It's like at the front. It's like
Huh?
It's like the fluff at the front. It's like the fluff. It's like
money.
It's actually not doing that.
Take one. Money going that way. Guys, I'm so tired. Rest now. Kids are doing rock climbing, so I'm resting. That bobsled took me out. It got me a headache. I'm gonna start getting hungry. Could I eat a juice in this party now?
He chickened out. I think he chickened
No,
out.
he's coming. Let go! Money, let go! He's holding on to the thing. Why you holding on? Let go! Come on,
No.
you're not supposed to hold on. Somebody else coming could hurt you.
I told you what to do. Oh, cool.
So you going back?
Yeah.
Or you waiting on money?
Yeah.
So how you money went up before you and
That's what he said. He's like, go first. I'll be behind you. It goes fast when you're on your back. I don't know why there's like not the thing on every like one.
Oh, you came so far.
Did you lay on your back? You did not lay on your back.
You know, some money face that even went.
Lay on your back to go fast.
I did.
I saw you.
My head was on. Hey, Bob, you go first again.
Oh my. Oh my gosh. That's why they're not supposed to hold on when they're coming. Because we're going back over now. It's raining.
You're on my phone, right?
In the bag, yeah.
Just leave it in there. I don't want it. I'll just make it sit.
Okay, so we're coming back over.
What?
So,
What?
how was that on the back?
So both of you guys can sit on it.
Yeah. Why do you not just say it like that?
No.
What's she saying?
The piano.
Wait, her playing?
That's she's just pretending.
With that one?
What's that?
I didn't blow you.
Not that bad.
Come on, don't put me in the middle this time.
So who's going in the middle? Mom. The towel. Whoa, like him on the liquid over in front. How come? When you're sliding down?
No, it's on the stairs.
Those kids don't have common sense. Like, a girl was literally on her back and I literally ran into her.
Because they weren't moving when they were supposed to. They're holding on to the, you can't do that. That's why the guy said if they didn't stop. What that?
What?
Is it the bobsled? Why are they screaming like that?
Ooh,
Don't you hear the screaming?
that's back there.
Still? Guys, so we're going back.
Oh, this is gonna take a minute.
Yeah, hope the rain don't start to pour. It was good.
Bro, not on my towel.
So next time we get to do the zip line.
Okay with the sauce, but sometimes I don't. I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, it doesn't even matter. Because they still see the mark anyways.
Guys, we're on our way back. And it's raining. Guys, we're on our way back. It's raining. These two are trying to decide what they're gonna eat. One said they want what? Juicy beef patty. I feel for some jerk pork
I
and
feel
fried
for some
and
KFC.
festival. You feel for KFC?
Yeah, this sausage chicken. But it's gonna be so long.
Yeah. I think it's still the wait time.
I have a big forehead. Just like my dad.
It's true though. You have a big forehead.
Look how braids neat and you don't like braids.
Yeah, because my forehead. I
No.
told you, Mom, I have a big forehead.
No.
Mom, yes.
It's not lying.
Oh, no.
What? Whoa.
Was that my shirt?
Guys, you gotta protect the legs at all costs.
Oh, yeah, you got your hair done. I forgot. That's fine. I think that's the best style you've gotten.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, that's the best style you've gotten.
I just you got this shirt. Imagine mom got this shirt. Oh my god.
You know why it slowed down? Because maybe there's people hopping on.
Hopping on?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You're so long to go.
This is probably 15 minutes.
It took us almost like 2 hours to get here.
put your sweats on for me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you